What is going on, guys? All right, check out this view. Traveling. You know, we haven't talked a lot about where I like to stop when I'm traveling. There's rest areas, there's welcome centers, there's any number of places that you can find typically to stop at for an overnight. One of my favorites, though, in Oregon is the Sno-parks, and this happens to be one of them up on Highway 58. I don't remember the name of it. I may have to put it on there. I have the place to myself. During the winter, busy little places, people with snowmobiles, kids, all sledding down the hill right up there, or any number of the different snowmobile trails. But during the summer, it's empty. Typically, they're quiet. They're usually close to the highway. In this case, Highway 58. I can hear the traffic going by over there, but faintly. It's not bad at all. This will make a good place for a stop. During the winter, November through April, they require a permit to stay at the Sno-parks and to be at the Sno-parks even for a day. During the summer, though, they're open to whoever wants to park and hang out. So this one is absolutely gorgeous. So the sky is a little bit hazy. Not sure where the fire is. Maybe Northern California. I'm not sure. I don't see anything nearby. But I think this is a good overnight stop. I just thought I'd share that with you, the Sno-parks. I don't know about other states. I know in Oregon, though, the Sno-parks, they're a good place to stop when you're on your travels on your way. So if you see one, stop in, see what you think. This one, vault toilets right over there. I like it. This will be a good overnight stay. I'm gonna go ahead and there's a waterfall nearby. I'm gonna head over there. I'll show you that next. Hang on, guys. Let me grab my keys. Salt Creek Falls. Day use fee is required, $5. It's not for camping, it's just a day use fee. All right. And there you go, guys. Wow. 286 feet. That's gorgeous. I think there's another view area up this way. We have to go up this way and check it out. So I am working with a new GoPro Hero 9. Just picked this up yesterday, day before yesterday. Literally the first time that I've used it. So we'll see how the audio does. I don't have any wind muff or anything else. It's just bare bones GoPro Hero 9. Check out this view, guys. That is gorgeous. 286 feet. I believe the second tallest. This is also another reason why I only travel 70 miles a day, so I can stop at things like this. This is why. The Sno-park and Salt Creek Falls. Kind of a picnic area. How about that on a tree? And there's the water right there. Don't fall in. There's dangerous waterfalls 200 feet ahead. How come all of these signs look like they came out of a cartoon? I'm expecting Yogi and Boo Boo to come out around the tree. Hey Yogi, I got a picnic basket. I don't know how to talk. I don't remember Yogi. He talked kind of squeaky. That's right. I think snow parks have to be one of my top 5. If I had to list my top 5 right now, I know that rest areas and truck stops would not be on it. But snow parks, definitely in the top 5. May have to do a future video on that and figure out and let you know what my actual top 5 is. But I know that snow parks, point of entry or welcome centers are a great source. But I would have to give it a little more thought. But the snow parks are kind of a hidden gem. So there you go. Time to get walking on down the way. I think that's gonna wrap this one up because I want to get back to camp. I've got a little bit to do and see. I'll turn the camera back on if I see anything, but we'll see you guys next time. Live life full time. We'll talk to you guys later. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Yeah, time to get walking. This is just gorgeous. Okay, so there is sketchy and then there is sketchy. I don't know when this bridge was built, but would you check this out? I am gonna try not to fall into the creek because there's a waterfall right down the way here. And look, oh, this is like on the cartoons too. I don't think we should go across that, Yogi. Wow, look at this. This looks unsafe. I'm not thinking this is a good idea at all. Wow, so this looks better here. I guess I'm not in danger. I'm all right. Wow, get a shot down this way.